Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you one of our mystery bundles that is going out this week. In fact, it's two of our mystery bundles. So what I've decided to do is show you me packing up what could be sent to you. So this person has purchased a double kit, and I'm going to show you the things that her mystery bundle are going to contain, so that you can have a look at what is inside some of the great products that we have going out this week. Here is the Jen Hatfield My Bright Life collection. You can see how amazing all of these patterns and things are. So there's two of each. We've got teacups, strawberries, lemonade, some fun patterns, some butterflies, and some really gorgeous cut apart type pages with those circles. I could see cutting those out. These are awesome, and these are my favorite. This is my favorite page right there. So anyway, so that's one of the paper packs that's going out as her hero item. So every mystery bundle will come with either a kit that is an all-in-one album, or a paper pack or collection kit with a album, and she is going to get this 7 paper mint green 4x4 mini album for her hero item. Her second hero item is this Project Life Maggie Holmes Bloom, which comes with the album, the 156 Project Life cards, and 26 photo pages. And that's a little peek of what it looks like there. So those are her two hero items. Since I was giving her the Bloom Project Life, I thought I would put her paper pad to be the Bloom paper pad. It'd be a nice match. And some Project Life cards that she can use in her album if she wants to have some blank pages for writing on. Here are her Jolee's Boutique butterfly embellishments. To go with her My Bright Life collection, I thought I would include some of these gorgeous dimensional stickers, the beautiful wood frames, some clear stickers, and some puffy stickers. Super cute. I'm also going to give her these Jolee's Boutique satin flowers with this gorgeous gem in the middle. Some washi tape from Tangerine. Also from Jen Hatfield, and perfect for adding to the bottom of a scrapbook page or a card, any project really, are these fun little tags that say various sentiments like thinking of you, or get well, or smile. Some birthday wishes ephemera from Pebbles, super cute, included with some acetate pieces. 2 different thicker sets. One is the Maggie Holmes, beautiful, and this other one is the Wildflower. I have seen some amazing layouts done with this sentiment as a focal point on a scrapbook page, like a 12 by 12 that my girlfriend did. It was fantastic. Some things for fall, and some ephemera for fall. Another Project Life thing to add to her album. These are really neat envelope pages with folder pockets on the front that you can stick things in. So if you had memorabilia that you wanted to add to your scrapbook and you wanted to tuck that all in there, and it was heavier and thicker, you could put that in there and you could make a little card on the front saying what was inside. So I could see using that. Some little ribbon and floss. And then another ephemera a happy birthday, always useful to have when you're making cards or doing a birthday layout. I love happy birthday ephemera. So that's everything that's going out in this double mystery bundle. So she ordered 2 mystery bundles, but it gives you a good variety of some of the things that we have, and I will show you a second mystery bundle. You can see how very different they are. And certainly if you want to DM me or email me at info@polka.mailbox.com, if you place an order and say, oh my gosh, Tony, you have to include X, Y, or Z, I'd be happy to do that. I've done that for some orders already. If you want some things to be a surprise, but you want your hero item to be that specific album or paper pack or Echo Park kit that we've had in the past, or even a theme. If you're like, I definitely want a fall Echo Park kit, or I love Cartabella, let us know. I have got some things tucked away and I could pull them out for you guys if you wanted to order one and have like a specific noted thing and then a few surprises. So here I'm going to pack up a package for a friend of mine who I know scrapbooks boy and girl scrapbook layouts. So I'm going to give her a hero item that is this Perfect Princess kit, as well as the album, the Memorology album. I'm going to include for her some ephemera and die cut frames and tags. I know the things that she has and has not ordered on my site. Because she scrapbooks both boy and girl, I'm giving her a very good range of fun items that I know she will get a lot of use out of, that are some thickers and stickers from this boy collection from Pink Paisley. I'm going to give her the ribbon and thread, because I always scrapbook with this thread, so I love this stuff. I can use that all day. These are some fun inflatable hearts from Amy Tangerine, and some new bows you haven't seen yet from Jolee's boutique. And I'm going to include a Wild Child paper pad as well, so that she has some coordinating papers to go with some of those thickers and ephemera and stuff. So this is a second mystery bundle that is going out today. Again, this one's curated specifically because I know that she scrapbooks boy and girl. If I don't know your preference, or if you haven't sent a direct message to me to let me know a general theme, I will stay very vague. I might pick something seasonal or something just pretty, like a just for you collection that's beautiful colors, that's not very specific, it can be just very generic. If I know you and I know the kind of things that you like, these are some of the things that you're going to get customized for you. I can look at past orders and see the kind of things that you've been drawn to. Make sure not to give you the same things that you've ordered previously, but similar types of things. So make sure, if you haven't headed over to polka.mailbox.com, you can get your mystery bundle with shipping included for $49.99. That is shipping to Canada or the US for free shipping, and the prices are in US dollars. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.